last cold start with this exhaust. This is it, R1M. Are you guys gonna miss the... What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. The last video with the Toast exhaust. It's been a love-hate relationship. Well, for me it was all love, because I got this exhaust because of the looks and the sound, and that's mainly it. That's all I cared about, honestly, when I got this exhaust. Previously this bike had an Acro, which was too quiet. I didn't like it, too bulky, so I got the Toast just because of the way it looks and sounds, as I've said. But it is time to finally upgrade and put a real proper exhaust on this bike. So this video is dedicated to pretty much, you know, this exhaust. It's gonna be more of a pure sound. Kind of felt like a sunset ride. I'm not gonna be like talking much. Just enjoy the sound of this. I will talk a little bit now, just letting you go like why finally I decided to switch to the exhaust I'm gonna put on. If you guys are following me on Instagram, then you guys already saw what I got for this bike. If not, then you're gonna have to wait for tomorrow's video or after tomorrow's video to see what exhaust I got. Yeah, so the main reason why is that the R1M, this bike that I have, it came bone stock with titanium headers, and you know, the toes is stainless steel, heavier, bad for performance, all that stuff, you know what I mean? So it just doesn't make sense that I have literally titanium headers, which most bikes, it's the other way around, because most bikes come with stainless steel headers, and people don't go the extra mile to get like titanium headers, so they just keep the stock headers, and they just get like a titanium muffler, which is very common. This bike has the opposite. Like, I already came with titanium headers, all I have to do is put a titanium slip on. But as I've said, I really like the look of the Toast. I want it to be different, and yeah, I like the way it sounded. It sounds very like nice and deep, but also like pretty raspy at the same time. So I really like it. But yeah, it's finally time to upgrade and put a proper titanium exhaust that's gonna be better for performance, lighter, and you know, it's just gonna look badass when that titanium gets colored blue. So I'm definitely very excited for it. And yeah, that's pretty much my explanation to why I'm finally upgrading. Other than that, enjoy kind of like the sound of this with this amazing sunset. It's probably a little too dark for you guys, so I'm gonna do the first ride with a new exhaust probably tomorrow morning or something like that. Maybe there's gonna be less of a pure sound video because of all this traffic. Very surprising how much traffic there is over here. Bruh, I literally had to move like last second. What the? There's a car and all in the middle, so it must be an accident, and that's why there's all this traffic. Yep, pretty bad one. Oh, homie hit the Tesla. But yeah, I don't know, I really like the sound of this bike, and I've gotten very used to it. I haven't heard it, you know what I mean, like, or haven't heard it, haven't like, yeah, technically I haven't heard it with like a different sound in a very, very long time. So I'm definitely excited to put a different exhaust, and that exhaust is going to be louder, should be by a lot. I didn't do a cold start test actually on this with this exhaust, so that's not good. Forgot about that completely, but we'll definitely do a new one with the new exhaust. I was gonna do another camera angle like at the tail of the bike like I did with the Aprilia, but you guys thought the audio like with that wasn't as good and I wanted to do it with a mic, but I was already late for my appointment, so I didn't have time to set up. But we'll definitely do that with the new exhaust. It doesn't pop as much in 4th gear, so let's go back to 3rd gear so that she's popping a little bit more. And of course we're gonna give her the last few revs with this exhaust. I don't know what I want to do with this exhaust. I don't like, should I sell it or should I keep it as a kind of like a memory, you know? This exhaust was on this bike when I started the channel and all. I actually wonder, do I have like videos of me riding this bike before I got this exhaust? I truthfully don't remember, because the channel was on when I had this bike, when I bought it. So I don't know, I'm curious. But yeah, I've had this bike since the start of my channel, so she means a lot to me. I wonder how the throttle is on the newer R1s and R1Ms, because the throttle on this one is very choppy. A lot of people are telling me to put the power mode in like number 2 because it's the same amount of power. It's just like, look at how jumpy this one is. There's no like, oh, you feel it and then it comes. No, it just like jumps into the power band. It just feels very abrupt, not smooth at all. I don't know, I really like the sound of it. I don't know why a lot of people, I mean, I get why a lot of people hate on it, you know what I mean? It's an R1M, it's not even a regular R1, and I have like a mid-range exhaust on it, you know? I wouldn't classify the two as like low range. Low range is like M4 and like maybe like Two Brothers or some like, you know, eBay exhausts. I just gotta be careful and be very gentle with the throttle on this bike. Just doing a couple more pulls with it before the new exhaust. Revs too. This part right here under the spotlight. Oh man, this is it. R1M. Are you guys gonna miss the toes? Like, look at it. It's just like the angle of it, just matching all the pointy lines and everything like that. It just fits it really well, and just the fact that it's black and everything. But the new exhaust, with hopefully when it all gets colored and it's all titanium, that's gonna be really cool too. So I'm excited for that as well. All right, let's give her a few revs and then we shall put the new exhaust. Last few revs. That really hurt my ear. The tone on the R1s are so nice. And I think it's also like the position of the exhaust. How are you doing? It's like pointed outwards, unlike like pointed to the back.
I was wondering who's blowing up the star.
My bad. It's the last day with this exhaust. We're putting a new exhaust, so you know, had to get the last few revs out of the system. Yep. I think it looks good. I actually had I just like the way it looks. Okay. The way it looks and sounds. Just because, like, look at how pointy it is, kind of matching everything, okay. And the fact that it.
Yeah. I think it'd look better if it was tucked, you know.
I do agree. If it was like lower, it definitely would have looked better. I have to bleep it in the video. Yeah, I got the titanium one. Yeah, so the new exhaust is gonna, because you know this bike has titanium headers.
Yeah, okay.
So now it's gonna be full titanium. That's the sad thing about this. That's mainly why I wanted to switch it, because it's stainless.
Yeah, and it's thick, huh?
Huh? Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
very. It's very heavy and it's stainless, you know, bulky. It just doesn't fit the bike.
So much better.
Yeah. So yeah.
Perfect size.
Yeah, it's all good. But yeah, I'm excited for that new one. That's why my ears are hurting, but I had to give her a few revs, few pulls. I've had this exhaust ever since, because when I first got it, I had the Acro, and that thing was too quiet, so I got it swapped to this like almost right away.
Okay,
Yeah, just because I thought this one looked cool. I want it to be a little different too.
sounds good, for sure.
It really does.
But that new one's gonna sound a lot better. It's gonna look like a race bike out.
I know, with the blue titanium and all that in the bottom, it's gonna match the bike. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Appreciate it, man. Alright guys, say your goodbyes to the toast. All the people that didn't like it are probably like, I don't know, clap in the comments or something. Just say finally. Say something that it's finally gone. I listen to y'all. But yeah, and stay tuned for the next video with a new exhaust, which is finally gonna, I feel like, complete this bike. Alright, please drop a like and subscribe. Love y'all. Peace out and ride safe.